It is a great, big, beautiful day, friends, and I hope you're having one too. And I've got some exciting news that we just received today. What's better than magical mail? Magical mail from Disney Cruise Line. We just received this today, and we want to tell you more about what's inside. Before we do that, make sure you subscribe to get more of our Disney fun along the way. Let's open it. So we have mail from the Disney Cruise Line, important cruise information and luggage tags enclosed. So in case you may not already be aware, we are going on a Disney cruise. In fact, this says 40 days until vacation, but I'm going to switch that because it is officially, as of today, 39 days until vacation, which puts us at September 11th of this year. We're going to be going on a Disney cruise with the family because we're going to celebrate our daughter's birthday, Lorelai. Let's see what's inside this wonderful packaging here. We received this about 45 days from our cruise. Anyone, when you have a Disney cruise, you would receive this. And it is a beautiful document here, your vacation details and luggage tags. So it's got details on our vacation. It shows the guests on our reservation. We are Silver Castaway Club members. It's got our stateroom information on there as well. And then it just lets us know any departure information. We are leaving from Port Canaveral. We're going on a 4-night cruise on the Disney Wish. Yes, that's Disney's newest ship. And we're going to be stopping in Nassau, Castaway Cay, then a day at sea, and then Port Canaveral. And then these are the wonderful luggage tags. They're all Disney-fied. You actually get 2 per guest. So we have 2 for myself, 2 for Christy, the wife, 2 for Anthony, our son, and 2 for Lorelai. So these are all we've got going on. Gives you notes, of course, about what you need to do as far as citizenship documentation. And yeah, really cool items to have. We're very, very excited about this cruise. So of course, I'm sure you're already aware, but we will be vlogging that entire journey there on Disney Cruise Line so you can see what the Disney Wish is about. We'll make some comparisons as well to the Disney Dream, which we've been on a few times. We did go on the Disney Wish last year before we started vlogging, so we have an idea of what's going on, so we'll have some more information for you on that aspect as well. That being said, if you do want to see more of our Disney Wish journey, as well as any other Disney adventures we have, or really anything theme parks, attractions, and tourism related in Central Florida primarily, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to our channel to take a part of every magical moment. And as always, until our next video, I hope you've had a great, big, beautiful day, and we will see you real soon.